enter segmentation. So we did a study, and this is a study tailored to us. Everyone would have their own questionnaire, their own things that they would look at, but we did a segmentation asking the right questions that come from the brand essence that we have, and we ended up with 6 different audience groups, 3 of which, honestly, we would be, even though I know they have hard water problems, wouldn't be the most effective use of our spend. 3, that would be relevant, but 2 that were really all in. 2 groups like Erin that want their house clean, feel good when their house is clean on a regular basis. So these are the groups we came up with. Yours would be different, but it really helps us hone in on a personality. All right, segmentation number 2. So now we know, I want to go back. How do I go back? Probably the red arrow that goes back. There you go. All right. So a little bit about these 2 groups. So they have the same attitude toward cleaning, right? So they like a clean home. They find a clean home less stressful. They find that they can relax when they have a clean home. They see it as something that they do throughout the week on a regular basis. So they shared the same attitudes. The only difference between the 2 was a little bit how they purchase. So we could define and create one message that would really apply to both of those groups. Okay, so now we know their attitude towards cleaning. So now let's talk about, well, what do they do with it? So enter another study that goes into need states. How do you use the product? How do you clean in your house? How many products do you carry around? What's really important when you're thinking about the need, the cleaning need? Okay, good. We got a good aha here. So what we learned is we, again, broke this up into 6 groups, 6 different types of cleaning in the home. Some people just tidy up before somebody's coming. Some people just, dust a little bit every now and then. Some people really don't care. Well, what we learned is that almost half of the cleaning occasions in the home, almost half, 45% to be exact, 45% of cleaning occasions in the home are relevant for our products. I'm like, ooh, that's nice. So great. So we've got the households figured out. We've got 45% of the cleaning occasions figured out. Okay, good. This is good. So when you understand, when you're working on the audience, so this was the audience portion, right? I do have to look at my notes every now and then. All right. So when we're looking at the audience, great segmentation will tell us if there is a strategic fit. Our strategic fit was the shift from occasional tough jobs to everyday tough jobs. That's what the 45% told us, right? So the emotional relevance, a clean home means less stress. Great, love it. The actionable opportunity, well, what we learned was that our product can be used for more things than we originally thought. It's not just the jug that needs to be in the garage for the really thick gunk in your home.